Hi guys, welcome to BestSub TV. I'm Alex. So today I'm gonna sit here and give you guys a full introduction to our Sublimation stainless steel skinny tumbler collection, and it's a big hit product right now. And this video is going to help you to catch this big trend. So please keep watching. So I want to start with the basic styles of our skinny tumblers, and here they are. We have three sizes. They are 16 ounce, 20 ounce, and 30 ounce respectively. And we have white tumblers and silver tumblers. They are like the basic colors for any stainless steel drinkware we have. And they are all made of double wood stainless steel with vacuum insulation, so they can keep the hot drinks and the cold drinks at the best serving temperature for hours. And each tumbler comes with a stainless steel straw and a clear plastic lid, and it's BPA free, so you can use it without any worry. So I just talked about the basic colors and the basic styles of our skinny tumblers. Now let's see something more colorful. And we have a wide variety for the 20 ounce skinny tumblers. And first, let's see these ones. They are the matte ones, and the matte finish is very smooth to touch. And we have so many colors here for you guys to choose. You can pick your favorite color and print it with your monogram design. They are just very perfect for showing some monograms and some logos. But if you can't find your favorite color here, you can tell us your color by sending email to best@bestsub.net, and we can customize the tumblers in the colors you want. Next, let's see another colorful collection, and these are our laser engraved skinny tumblers. They are coated with the powder coating, which is non-slip and resistant to fingerprint. And here you can see it has this special microparticle texture on the surface, but it doesn't mean it's rough. Actually, you won't feel any roughness on the surface, and it's very smooth to touch. And you can choose to engrave your design on the surface by laser engraving, or print your design by screen printing. Both these two techniques can make your tumbler unique. And if you want to change the color to the colors you want, please let us know by email, and we can customize the powder coated tumblers in your colors. Now let's go back to the sublimation tumblers, and I want to show you guys these two extremely stunning collections. And first, please see these rainbow painted sparkling tumblers. We have 4 colors, and they have this very beautiful iridescent sparkles on the surface, and you can see the beautiful rainbow colors, and also you can see the printed designs are shining on the tumbler. And next, I want you guys to see our glitter tumblers. The whole tumbler is fully covered with the sparkling glitters, including the bottom. And the glitter finish is not rough. We make it very smooth for comfortable holding and for perfect sublimation prints. Now I want to show you guys our newly launched color-changing skinny tumblers, and the first two ones are the luminous glow-in-dark tumblers. One will glow in blue and one will glow in green. They are just the perfect choice for the surprise gift. The three ones in the middle are the UV activated color changing skinny tumblers, and they will show other colors when exposed to the sunlight or a UV light. So I have a UV light here. Let's see what colors they will turn to. So I think this is a violet tumbler, and this one is light blue, and this one is red. And if you take one out in a sunny day, the color will show up completely, and the stronger the sunlight, the deeper the color. And the last two ones are the heat-sensitive color-changing skinny tumblers, and we have a blue one and an orange one. The colors will become deeper in a colder temperature, and when you touch the tumblers, the other colors will come out and bring you so much fun. So today I have introduced to you guys all of our skinny tumblers. We have the 30 ounce, 20 ounce, and the 16 ounce tumblers, and we have the white tumblers and the silver tumblers. They are the basic styles. And we also have some sparkling tumblers here, the rainbow painted tumblers and the glitter tumblers. And also we have some matte color tumblers for sublimation printing, and matte powder coated tumblers for laser engraving. And we just launched some color changing tumblers. We have the luminous glow in dark tumblers, UV activated color changing tumblers, and heat sensitive color changing tumblers. So with so many amazing choices, which one is your favorite? Please comment down below to tell me, and if you want to place your order, you can send email to best@bestsub.net. And we also provide the best printing solutions for the tumblers. We have the amazing tumbler heat press machine, special for the tumbler printing, and also we have the sublimation oven. If you want to watch the printing tutorial, you can go to the description box below to find the link. And I'm Alex. Hope to see you again in my next video.